So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in run, click on it. In this box, you want to type in temp and then click on enter and then continue. We're going to delete everything in this folder. These are just your temporary files. So you want to do Ctrl A and then click on delete. If you get this, you want to select do this for current items and then click on try again. If it comes up again, you want to select this, do this for current items and then click on skip. We can now resolve this. Next, you want to go to search again and type in run, click on it. This time, we're going to type in %temp% and then click on enter. And then do the same thing, Ctrl A, delete. If you get this, do this for current items, try again. If you get this again, do this for current items and then skip. And we can now resolve this. We're going to do it one more time. You want to go to search and type in run, click on it. This time, you want to type in prefetch and then click on enter. Ctrl A, delete. Tick the box, try again. Tick the box, skip. And then close out this. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in disk cleanup. Click on it. It might come up with all your drives. You want to select your C drive. Now once you're on this, you want to tick all these boxes. And then select clean up system files. Wait for this to load. And now once you're on this, you want to select everything again. Just tick everything. And then click on OK. And then click on delete files. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in storage settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to select storage sense. Now you want to scroll down and then select run storage sense now. And now as this is running, we're now going to select storage. Now we're going to select cleanup recommendations. If there are any recommendations that will come up here, you can select it and then click on cleanup. And you can also see if you have any large or unused files. If you do, it's going to appear here. Any files that you have synced to the cloud and any unused apps. Next, we're going to go back to storage. And now we're going to select show more categories. We should now be seeing all of this. And you can go through all of this right here, such as your temporary files, installed apps, other, or just anything else that comes up here that you don't need and you can delete it. It's also going to show you how much space has been taken up. In my temporary files, I've got almost 9 GB being taken up, so I'm going to select this, and I can delete everything that comes up here. And then click on remove files. Continue. We can now go back, and you now want to select installed apps. You want to filter by your C drive, and you want to uninstall all the applications that you don't use. If you see an application here that you don't use, you want to click on the 3 dots, and then click on uninstall, and then you want to uninstall it. For the last step, you want to go to your desktop, you want to find your recycle bin, right click on it, and then select empty recycle bin, and then you want to select yes when it comes up. Now you want to restart your computer. Once you complete all of this, you would have freed up a lot of your C drive space.